my Navigator will start if and only if I do this. I have a line with an alligator clip connected to the starter. I don't know if you can see that or not, but connected to the starter, right? The alligator clip is connected to the starter. That's the starter. The alligator clip is connected to the starter, right? So the line is ran all the way up here. Where if I have the key in the on position, and it's in the on position, it's in the on position, all my lights are lit up. This is the one I'm really concerned with, because it didn't start doing this until not starting until nothing. It didn't just not start until I ran over a bump and it just lost power. However, I can go here, starts right up. And it will sit here, it will idle. It will sit here, and it will idle until the gas runs out. I don't know what's wrong with it. When I cut it off, try to start again, nothing. I don't know what's wrong with this thing.